The Indo-Pacific, and first, of course, to Malaysia, where Prime Minister Modi met his Malaysian counterpart Anwar Ibrahim, who's been on a 3-day visit to India. Anwar Ibrahim was given the ceremonial welcome at Hyderabad House, and the two leaders signed 8 MOUs on a whole host of issues, from labour recruitment to digital technology to defence and strategic areas. Listen in to first what the two leaders had to say.
आज सीईओ फोरम की मीटिंग से नई संभावनाएं सामने आई हैं। हम दोनों ने रक्षा क्षेत्र में आपसी सहयोग की नई संभावनाओं पर भी बात की है। आतंकवाद और अतिवाद के खिलाफ लड़ाई में भी हम एकमत हैं। फ्रेंड्स, भारत और मलेशिया सदियों से एक दूसरे से जुड़े हैं।
We have initiated a lot of new programs and we would hope that Indian companies with Malaysian companies collaborate further in all fields, including the new challenging areas like energy transition, digitalization, and also food security. And we did emphasize the need to use both our experience and expertise in the semiconductor area, which we are fortunate to be considered a hub in Southeast Asia.
All right, my colleague Mohammad Ghazali joins me for the very latest on this. Ghazali, now this is an important visit and it sets the agenda for the next 5 years or 10 years as far as the India-Malaysia partnership is concerned.
Yeah, so first of all, that there were many important MOUs which are signed between the two countries. The one related to the Indian workers who are working in Malaysia. On that front, India and Malaysia had reached an understanding that their interests and their safety is paramount, because India and Malaysia, both the governments are concerned about illegal immigration, trafficking of Indian workers to the Southeast Asian nations. So on this particular issue, a memorandum of understanding was reached or signed between the two countries. Now coming to the second strategic understanding between the two countries, and I'll refer to some of the MOUs which have been signed. In total, around 8 MOUs have been signed between the two countries. Pact on promoting recruitment of Indian workers in Malaysia and protection of their interests. And besides that, the rest of the MOUs deal with the Digital Council. There will be establishment of a Digital Council for promoting or digitization of affairs between India and Malaysia. India will be assisting Malaysia in other spheres, and trade ties and investment will begin in the fields of defense manufacturing, semiconductors, AI, quantum. So these are the sectors on which both the countries will deepen their relations. The Malaysian Prime Minister, as you heard, also said in his address that he expects Indian companies also to invest in Malaysia, and Malaysia is one of the most prominent trading partners of India in Southeast Asian nation. Now, why this is very relevant or significant? This is the first trip of Mr. Anwar Ibrahim, the Malaysian Prime Minister, who visited India after becoming the Prime Minister, and also the first meeting between Narendra Modi, the Indian Prime Minister, in his third term. In a larger context, why this is significant? Because India is also concerned about the growing influence of China in the Southeast Asian region, and Malaysia could be one of its significant partner to thwart that effort.